Introduction. 7 Practice Questions for UBC Real Estate Chapter 9 Professionalism and Ethics. Welcome to our practice session for Chapter 9 of the UBC Real Estate course. In this chapter, we'll be diving into professionalism and ethics, essential components of a successful career in real estate. As a licensee, understanding your ethical duties and maintaining professionalism are crucial to building trust with clients, colleagues, and the public. These 7 practice questions will help you test your knowledge of key concepts like fiduciary duties, conflicts of interest, and professional behavior. Let's get started and ensure you're fully prepared for the exam. Question 1. Which of the following is a false statement regarding the duties licensees owe to their clients under the real estate services rules? Correct answer. C. The duty of confidentiality is terminated when the relationship between the licensee and the client ends. Explanation. The duty of confidentiality survives even after the relationship between the licensee and the client has ended. A licensee must not disclose any confidential information learned during the relationship unless required by law or the client provides consent. Other options. A. Correct. Acting in the client's best interests cannot involve unlawful actions. Licensees must always act within legal boundaries. B. Correct. Licensees cannot sign agreements on behalf of clients unless explicitly authorized in writing. D. Correct. The duty of full disclosure requires licensees to provide all material information, even if they personally believe it is trivial. Question 2. Shalina is the listing agent for Dave's property. Property has a large tree in the backyard, which Dave told Shalina he will be removing before the property is sold. Dave has a busy week at work and has asked Shalina not to present any offers to him until the week is over. Shalina shows the property to Kyoko, who says that the large tree will make a perfect spot for a tire swing. Shalina does not mention that the tree will be removed. Kyoko makes a full price offer on the property, but Shalina delays telling Dave about the offer until the week is over. What professional duty has Shalina breached? Correct answer. B. The duty to communicate all offers in a timely manner. Explanation. The duty to communicate all offers in a timely manner requires licensees to promptly inform their clients of any offers received, regardless of the client's preference to delay discussions. Failing to disclose Kyoko's offer immediately violates this duty. Other options. A. Incorrect. While withholding the information about the tree might raise ethical concerns, the scenario primarily involves a breach of timely communication rather than dishonesty. C. Incorrect. There is no indication in the scenario that Dave needed independent professional advice. This duty is unrelated here. D. Incorrect. Delaying communication of the offer constitutes a breach of professional duties. Question 3. Which of the following situations involves a breach of a duty owed by a licensee to a client? Correct answer. C. Billy does not tell Joel the plans for the property as Asuna asked him not to. Explanation. Billy breached the duty of full disclosure to his client Joel. Licensees are obligated to disclose all material information that could affect their client's decision-making. Asuna's plans to demolish the property are material facts that Billy should have communicated to Joel. Other options. A. Incorrect. Julio acted appropriately by disclosing the presence of asbestos, fulfilling his duty of disclosure. B. Incorrect. Gabriel fulfilled his duty to act in his client's best interest by referring Koshi to a mortgage broker when unsure of his own expertise. D. Incorrect. Simon fulfilled his duty to present all offers to his clients, regardless of their value, ensuring they have all the information to make a decision. Question 4. Which of the following is a true statement regarding ethical duties? Correct answer. B. A licensee must act with reasonable care and skill. This duty is owed to both clients and non-clients. Explanation. A reasonable care and skill is a duty that licensees owe to everyone they interact with, including both clients and non-clients. This ensures professionalism and competency in all their dealings. Other options. A. Incorrect. A licensee's duty to act in the best interests applies only to their clients, not non-clients. C. Incorrect. The ethical duty of loyalty is owed exclusively to clients, not non-clients. D. Incorrect. A licensee who breaches an ethical duty to a client cannot be considered to be acting ethically. Question 5. Which of the following is a common law source of duties to clients? Correct answer: C. Agency/fiduciary law. Explanation: Agency/fiduciary law is a common law principle that establishes duties such as loyalty, confidentiality, and full disclosure which licensees owe to their clients. These duties arise from the fiduciary relationship created in an agency agreement. Other options: A. Incorrect. The Real Estate Services Act is statutory law, not common law. B. Incorrect. The Real Estate Services Regulation is also statutory and not a source of common law duties. D. Incorrect. The Real Estate Services rules are regulations, not part of common law. Question 6. A conflict of interest is a situation where there is an undue risk that the agent's representation of a client would be negatively affected by the agent's own interest or by the agent's duties to another current client, a former client, or a third party. Correct answer: A. Substantial explanation. A substantial risk exists when an agent's ability to provide objective and undivided loyalty to their client is jeopardized due to competing interests. This includes conflicts arising from personal interests, obligations to other clients, or third parties. Other options: B. Incorrect. Conflicts of interest are not always unavoidable. They can often be managed or avoided through disclosure and consent. C. Incorrect. While conflicts of interest should be documented, the term does not define the nature of the risk. D. Incorrect. A trivial risk would not rise to the level of a conflict of interest requiring action. Question 7. Which of the following statements is true regarding professional ethics? Correct answer: B. Licensees have a professional duty to hold other licensees to the highest professional and ethical standards. Explanation: Licensees are expected to uphold and promote high standards of professionalism and ethics in their interactions with other licensees, clients, and the public. Other options: A. Incorrect. Professional ethics often go beyond legal requirements, setting higher standards for conduct. C. Incorrect. Many duties owed to clients, such as loyalty and confidentiality, are also fiduciary duties. D. Incorrect. Professional ethics extend beyond client relationships and apply to all interactions in a professional capacity.